Hello, guys. I keep receiving emails from trademark websites saying that someone's willing to take my trademark and register it, but I have the priority to register it first. Is this a scam? Yes. I'm currently pending with my trademark registration at the USPTO. Yeah, sounds super, super scammy. Honestly, you want to make sure that any third party, a mailer that you get, if it doesn't have the USPTO or a GOV government website, it's going to be someone looking to make money, right? A for-profit entity, and they're really, really slimy with what kind of wording they put on there about, threats or perhaps, your payment is due. We've seen lots of different formats of this. It seems to be more prevalent on the trademark side than the patent side.
Total scam.
Total
It's
scam.
a very successful scam, unfortunately. So we see a lot of clients who get those letters. I get those letters from these fake law firms, and oftentimes clients ask me, like, how can attorneys do this? Right? How can they, do this kind of, bait and switch? And the answer is those aren't attorneys. No, unfortunately, these are offshore individuals who are just mining the USPTO for data and looking for opportunities to confuse folks and convince them that their trademark is in jeopardy. So if you get anything from any outside company, not from the USPTO, not from your attorney, it's a scam, right?
Yeah.
But it's really hard for folks to kind of, even attorneys will send me emails asking, is this legit? Is this fake?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's honestly, it's more likely than not fake.
Yeah, I feel like that could be a service offering,
Totally.
is this letter real? And then click for a consultation.
Yeah, it's a disgrace. It's terrible. It's very frustrating, as if we didn't need any more problems at the USPTO, right?
100%, man.